feeling here. Unboxing tayo na
Every single day,
one.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Just mean you're gonna vacuum the house. Maybe we should look at this picture on the bottom.
I think
Or the one speed.
sorry, to the wire. Wow.
There's a flap on it.
Alright guys, thank you.
10, 9, 8, action.
Okay. Hi guys, how are you today? Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Ako na naman ang feeling here. So, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon. May dumating na package. May dumating na package galing sa Amazon. Nakuha ko lang siya ng ano. Mag-unboxing tayo ng makeup brush.
Really, you didn't even know you were getting makeup.
I don't even know that I ordered this one.
That's old age.
It's okay. Bibigay ko to sa pinsan ko kasi ano siya eh. Ang dami nitong brush. Pero hindi talaga to yung ano natin, unbox natin. This one! Chara! It's a cordless Onson vacuum. Buksan natin to. Nakuha natin to sa Amazon, of course, in a good deal. Pero kailangan nating tingnan kung so I have to remember. I'm gonna show you this. It's a cordless vacuum. I-review natin siya. Hindi ito ano ha? Hindi ito sponsor. Hindi ako pilingira. Hindi ako pilingira. Wala pa akong subscriber na 1,000. Ito. So, mura lang siya. So, tingnan natin if I can, kailangan, Randy, I need to put this on the top so I know where is it. Oh my God, I think it's very small. Wow, look at this, look at this. Oh, there's a free gift. I don't know what's a free gift inside. Free gift, hindi naman talaga siya. $10 gift card Amazon, so may free siyang $10 gift card Amazon kasi ano to siya siguro mga 120 pero nakuha ko lang siya ng 80 kasi may sale. Meron na kaming vacuum kasi ito cordless to eh. Oh my gosh. This is the battery. Do you think I may need to charge this one? So, for sure, kailangan ko ng instruction kaya meron akong director dito. Ito na naman itong director dito eh. Ano na naman tinuturo eh. So, ito siya. I-assemble natin siya. I-try natin siya i-assemble ng do I need to put ito yung hawakan? Ito yung lagyanan? Ito yung lagyan ng dumi. And so I think I need to memorize where they put it because if we're not gonna like it. Wow, look at the brush.
Looks like a powered, doesn't it?
Yeah. So ito may kasama siya. Ito talaga yung pang-vacuum.
So how does that compare to your
Well,
Dyson?
the Dyson is
parts-wise?
bigger.
Oh.
This one is mini. This is
So it's kind of maybe a portable to like You know,
Yeah, you can use it
after
in
a
the
party,
car.
you just clean up things.
Yeah, you
spot
can in the
clean.
car, in the couch. And ito, kasama siya. Para ito sa ano, mamaya, ano yun natin, ha? But this one, I really don't know what's this for, Randy.
Well, we'll have to figure out.
I'll figure out. I will look at, so try natin siyang i-assemble. Kung kaya ba natin siya at kung kailangan natin ng tulong, nandyan lang naman yung so this is for the car, I'm sure. Meron siyang kasamang makeup brush. Para talaga ito sa couch. Oh my God, kagigising ko lang po. Kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko today eh. Not feeling well today.
Does this mean you're going to vacuum the house?
You know that I love vacuum, right? I'm gonna vacuum your face.
Oh,
Oh. So try natin siyang i-assemble with the help of our master. Oh. Ewan ko lang kung charge na to. Do I need to charge this, Randy?
I would say so, yes. It may have 50% or something. There'll be a charge in it, but should be enough to turn it on.
So, tamad ako magbasa ng instructions, but
Maybe we should look at
we will
this
try to
picture on
figure
the
this out.
box.
Here we go. Here we go.
This is how you think it should go.
Ito pwede mo siyang gamitin. Baril! So, yan na siya. Oh, alright. I think oh, there you go.
I think that's a coffee pot.
Now I'm complete.
It's done?
Check that out. And now, Robbie, check this out. Oh, I
Wow.
think I need a small particle Sandy, so I can.
They're already there, darling. You haven't vacuumed this year.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Very handy.
Is there a filter or anything that goes in there? You got any parts left over?
I think there is already
Any parts left over?
no, I don't see any parts left over. This is the charger,
Okay.
and this is the
An accessory.
makeup brush again. No, this one I'm sure you can use this for the so now check.
Wow, it's amazingly quiet.
It's quiet.
There are more than one speed.
Huh? No, there is a plus volume. Look at this. There's a button here, like plus, minus if you want. And if you want super quiet, like, mali ata. Kasi, pag pinas mo siya, so, ito lang yung on and off niya, oh. Very handy here. So, try natin gamitin yung iba. Ito, pag gusto nyo yung mababa. Ah, look at this, Randy. Check this out. Check this out. So, ito siya. Para sa mga ano dito. Pwede niyo siyang gamitin sa kotse because cordless siya. Pwede siya. Look. Oh my God. I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm sorry. Meron siyang kasama ito. So, meron ito. Ang alam ko para to sa ano eh. Ito, pero para sa mga singit-singit. Sino diyang may singit-singit? Kagaya nito. Si mga ilalim-ilalim, mga ilalim-ilalim dyan, mga ilalim-ilalim. Oh, ay lubat na, lubat. I think it's lubat. No. Oh, dito sa mga couch. Look at Randy now. I can clean our couch here. See. Para sa mga ganyan. This is, man, this is very, very
Is that a
nice.
keeper, Jules?
I think I'm gonna keep this because I was planning to return it because we have 3 vacuums. We have Dyson 25, right? The big one, and then we have the small one that I bought in Sam's Club for $20. It's a small one, but it's not. It's
Too small.
no, it's too small, and it comes with a wire, and it's super hot. But the Dyson is perfect. This is just very handy because you can just charge it, and then if you're gonna use to clean your car, this is perfect. So we're gonna try to
Can I
use.
blow leaves with that?
Blow your ass. Joke. So, let's try this. Look. Look at that. So, let's try this. Okay. Darnie, can you turn the director? Can you please turn the...
Now I'm darling.
Oh, yes. Look. Tsaka may ilaw siya. Look at the sa lights. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, yes. Wow. And it's very light. Look. It's not heavy. Oh, I got the dust already. Wow.
Gee,
Oh, yes.
Are you surprised there's
Huh?
dust in the house?
I am surprised because I just vacuumed the other day.
Really?
Look, I already got some dust. See? Nakita niyo yan? Kita niyo yan? Meron na siyang ano. I just have to learn how to open this one because... so yes, I think I'm gonna keep this.
There's a flap on the bottom, and the bottom just drops out to empty it.
I know.
Like our
I see
Dyson.
that. Like,
Yeah.
it's the same or not.
Yeah, how nice.
Oh, shit. Oh, well, I have to clean again. I just want to show you how to open. There's a button here. So I guess I'm going to clean again, and then I'm going to keep this, but I have to study where is the filter. Because maybe, I know that it comes with a filter. I have to read the manual, but this is what's in the Onson. Alright guys, thank you so much for me watching my Peeling Era vlog. This is Onson Vacuum Cordless. Maraming nagre-review nito sa mga Americans. Gusto ko lang i-review ng Tagalog kasi para sa mga Pilipina na kumukuha din ito sa Amazon. And para na din sa aking content na Peeling Era content. Okay.